So I want to tell you about the prerequisites to get into physical therapy school. Welcome back, YouTube. If this is your first time visiting our YouTube page, my name is Ladarius Woods, and I'm one of the co-founders of Admissions Highway, a company whose number one mission is to help pre-PTs and prospective applicants live out their dream of becoming a physical therapist. If that person is you, a pre-PT or prospective applicant, please consider subscribing to our YouTube page. So prerequisites, they're just courses that all of our physical therapy programs will require you to take prior to admitting you into their program. And each school has a list of prerequisite courses. And you can find these courses either on their website or you can find it on the centralized application process or that website, www.ptcast.org. And they'll have a list of all the prerequisites. But I want to explore some of the most common prerequisites. So the first one I want to explore just a little bit is anatomy and physiology. And usually most of your PT programs, they're going to ask you to take two of those courses. So either anatomy and physiology or A&P1 and A&P2. And if I can be honest with you, this is probably your most important course for getting into PT school. So you want to make sure you do your best. That means try your best to get an A in that class. The second grouping of prerequisites I'll throw out is the biologies, the chemistries, the physics, and occasionally there may be one that asks you to take some sort of math or pre-calculus or calculus. So all of those are science-based courses because that's what physical therapy is. It's a science-based profession. So we just want to make sure you have that rigor to withstand what you're going to go through when you're in your 2 to 3 years of physical therapy school. So in those courses, I want you to do well. Again, you're always shooting for an A, but you can settle for a B, but you do not want to get a C. If you get a C, then you may have to reach out to that program and try to figure out, do they forgive grades or do they average grades? And that'll help you navigate whether you need to retake that course or not. And the last little bunch of prerequisites I'll throw out to you these are kind of like these electives or these additions that come about. So you may see pre-PT programs that ask you for psychology or for speech or for an English or writing course. So with those, again, they're very PT program specific, but you want to make sure you have those. And these just works on those soft skills. So your ability to communicate with your patients, the ability to communicate with other healthcare practitioners, the ability to understand patients who may have disabilities. And all of that's encased within those courses that I mentioned. As always, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If this was beneficial for you, do us a favor here at Admissions Highway and share this with a colleague or a friend of yours. Also, leave us some comments below, like, subscribe, all those amazing things that again helps us with our YouTube ratings.